Want to set up a new Google account? Follow these easy steps to create your Gmail and access all Google services. Go to the Google Sign Up page. Visit accounts.google.com/signup in your web browser. Fill out your info. Enter your first and last name, then choose a username. This becomes your Gmail address. Create and confirm a secure password. Verify with your phone number. Enter your mobile number to receive a text message with a verification code. This step helps protect your account and enables recovery if needed. Add recovery options. Optional but recommended, add a recovery email and enter your birthdate and gender. Agree to the terms. Review Google's terms of service and privacy policy, then click I agree to finish setup. You're all set. Your new Google account is ready to use with Gmail, YouTube, Google Drive, and more. Be sure to keep your recovery options updated for added security.